was interesting because at the end of Rebel Moon, I believe part 1, um, they brought the drone back to life. I wonder how she kept her edges slayed all this time. Still got her eyelashes and everything.
It's close, really. 4 hours ago now. You had maybe one breath left. But I appreciate you for saving my life. I won't regret it.
Look, he seems so sincere in the gentleness that he talk to this white man that has him as a prisoner, but he don't see it like that. See, these are drones. They create these black men right here. I knew he was attached to the facility. And then look who walk in. Hold on. Yeah, look who walk in. I knew this was gonna happen. Look, he instantly scared. The blonde hair, blue eye. The blonde hair, blue eye.
Next time. You remember I took you out of prison? You remember I allowed you to sell your drugs?
Yeah, but that was for your agenda. You wasn't doing him no favor. She basically saying like, I let you play a role that you wanted in the simulation. That's why you don't want to be like a motherfucker like Dolo, who is the motherfucker in the Matrix who sold everybody out for a piece of steak and fame and notoriety. Because, yeah, they would give you the role that you asked for, and then you realize that ain't shit. You still a slave in their simulation. But it's something about his blonde hair, blue eye. It's an alien species that look like them. And that's what they represent.
What did I get in return?
Psh, his life.
One more chance. I know what I'm dealing with now.
We're crazy.
She want him a
So
bag.
do I.
So what? Y'all save his life just to terrorize him. See? Is that for shit? And when he was fighting them, he made a comment, the drone made a comment, when he was looking at the other people's powers that they was trying to capture. He said, oh, I can't wait to try that. So he must be injected with the power. He don't have power on his own. But they needed a black person. They saved him to go kill him. Yeah.
It's fully updated as requested.
You know he's not the only one who failed me, don't you? Against my better judgment, I allowed you to do things your way. Well, now we do things my way.